My name is Teacher Jonah. What's your name?
My name is Lucy.
Lucy, how old are you, Lucy?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. What's your favorite food and drinks?
Favorite food is watermelon.
Watermelon. And drink?
Oranges. I like oranges.
Okay. What time do you usually eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
It's sandwich.
Sandwich. I eat
Sandwich
for
breakfast.
okay, good. Now let's look at the screen. Okay. Can you tell me which picture is different? Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Picture 1.
Number 1.
Number 3.
Picture 3.
Picture 3.
Because
Picture 1, 2, 3 is the first. Picture 3 is a book.
okay. Number 2. Which picture is different?
Picture 1
Is different.
because picture 2, 3, 4 is
in the back.
background.
Okay. Picture 1 is
Picture 1 is
in the what room? Living room. Okay, number 3. Which picture is different?
Picture 1.
Picture what?
Picture 3 because picture 1
Picture 3 is different.
because picture 1, 2, 3, picture 1, 2, 4 because they are sleeping.
Okay. Picture 3 is
Picture 3 is get up.
get up. Okay. Number 4. Which picture is different?
Is picture 2 because picture 1, 3, 4 is a fly.
They can.
Second,
Picture 2.
picture 2 low
No fly. Can't fly.
can fly.
Okay, good. Okay, now for the next part, name all the pictures here for part 3 vocabulary. Number 1 is
Press
back. 2,
2 is fly.
ban,
Back.
ban, bandage. Okay. Other. Finger. Neck. Shoulder. And oh, stomach. Number 8. Backache. Cold. Cough. 11. Headache. 12. 12. 12. This one. Hurt. Okay. 13.
12.
Throw. Sick. Okay. 14. Sore throat. What's that? Sore throat. Okay. Stomach ache. Sick. Cold. 10. Toothache. Okay. For the last part, Lucy, who is the tallest person in your class?
Is 100.
Tallest person in V9.
100.
Who is the tallest person in your class?
Rose.
Rose. Tallest.
Nina.
Nina is the tallest
In the class.
in the class. Okay. Who is as strong as you in your class?
It's Tom.
Tom is
It's John in the class.
as strong as me in the class. Who is clever?
Kristen
Kristen is
is clever
clever
in the class.
than
Sally
me in the class. What do you do when you've got a cold? What do you do? When you got cold, what do you do? I drink
water.
I drink water and
I sleep.
tell me about when you've got a sore throat. What do you do? Orange juice? Orange juice?
Is a hospital.
Go to hospital. Okay, you go to hospital. Okay, that's it for the speaking test. Thank you.